Today we have a video from Body Cam Files, and the title of the video is Cop's Daughter Thinks He Gets to Make the Rules.
You have an ID on you, ma'am? You don't have an ID at all? So you reversed in traffic all the...
There was no traffic.
Ma'am, I literally watched you at the light reverse all the way into a red light.
There was no traffic.
Doesn't matter if there's traffic or not. You're reversing. You're going the...
I was confused by the directions I was getting to go to.
Okay. Do you have a valid driver's license?
Yes, I
Okay. Can I have the registration and insurance? You don't have any of that?
My ex-husband does.
Okay.
Sorry, 34.
Have you been drinking tonight, ma'am?
5429 on a gray show. You pick up to Straight Moran.
You had 3 beers?
Yes.
Okay.
I have to go. My bad.
Do you not, ma'am, stay in the vehicle?
Hey, but listen to me, please.
I'm listening, but stay in the vehicle.
Okay.
And close the door for me, please.
On the 5429 current on the 2022 with Volkswagen the Clint. Little,
my
no harming.
application.
Do you mind lowering the window over there, ma'am? No?
Hi, sir.
You don't want to lower the window? Okay.
I've done nothing wrong.
Ma'am, you reversed into traffic.
I didn't mean to. Okay, I didn't
Okay,
mean to.
well-
I wasn't trying to. I was just trying to turn around to go to Taco Bell.
When did you last drink, ma'am?
I had 3 beers at,
Okay, that's fine. She doesn't want to. I've asked her twice, or like multiple times.
Well, why don't you roll down that one?
Because she opened this door and she almost walked out of the vehicle, and I went on that window, and it took her forever to lower it to begin with. Ma'am, and now she locked it.
and I pulled up. I'm sorry.
10-4. Valid 5429.
It was the wrong place.
So you were going to Taco Bell.
I was trying to find something to eat because I'm starving, and like I went to Big Dogs or no, and then I had 3 beers. I was starving.
Real quick, ma'am. You all right? Anything medical going on with you? You just tired, hungry?
I'm hungry.
Okay.
That was it. That was all I was trying to do. I was not trying to break the law.
What's going on?
Seriously? What? Nothing.
Tell me over here.
Tell you what. Okay, so I will tell you.
Ma'am, stay in the vehicle. Stay in the vehicle,
Yeah,
please.
what's up with you?
Stay in the vehicle.
Try to think.
Stay in the vehicle.
Okay, so let me tell you something that's
What's up?
going on. I've been verbally abused,
Okay.
physically abused. Last,
By who?
I don't want to say.
I was at that light over there, and she literally reversed. I saw her pass the light. She put her car in reverse and went reverse into the red light.
Oh, I didn't mean to.
And then when I pulled her over, she kept going. Like she literally just.
No, I didn't see it. I really didn't understand. I'm sorry. I didn't. I went to, that's not Big Dogs. I don't know. I'm just starving to death. I want to go talk about anything that's funny, and it's not.
No one's laughing here, man.
No, there you
This is
are.
actually pretty serious because you could have caused a major accident.
Yeah, but because I can see it. Can you please give me a break?
I don't know if it is or not, but. So, as of right now, I will be doing a DUI investigation, okay?
Hey.
All right?
Yep.
Would you be willing to perform some field sobriety exercises for me?
What's that?
Would you be willing to perform some field sobriety exercises for me
Yes, of
to make
course.
sure that you're okay to drive?
Yes.
Okay,
It
perfect.
depends on what.
What do you mean? It depends on what it is.
Okay, so today I've been abused so bad. I got fucking punched in the face.
You did?
Yes.
Where'd you get punched at, ma'am?
I'm not gonna give that person up. I
Okay.
punched in the face, my phone, going to a couch. So you don't understand, like, my situation.
Okay.
Okay, I'm not lying.
No,
either.
I believe you. I don't think you're lying.
So that's why I went with a friend. I said, I'm starving. I'm getting them before I go home. And my GPS said, I don't live here. I live in Harmony. Okay? So I was looking it up, but I'm sorry if I backed up or did something wrong. I wasn't trying to.
Okay. Listen, we all make mistakes. It's just the fact that you backed up straight into the light, okay? You say no, it'd be refusal, and from what I'm observing, from what you've told me, it'll be DUI arrest.
Okay, I'll do it, yes.
You'll do it? Okay.
Yes.
What's going on?
I'm going through a divorce. I went to get 3 beers with my friend. I said, I'm starving. I'm going to get that and go back to my mom's house. I don't even live here. I live in Osceola County.
Okay.
3 beers will still put you over the limit.
Okay. And
So, I mean, yeah, I was trying to click it so the whatchamacallit, so the thing wasn't red, so my face wouldn't be red. But anyways, listen, people need to understand what it is. The way that officers word things a lot of times is, okay, if you don't do it, then I'm gonna lock you up, right? That's pretty much what, because he has to go based off of his opinion, and his opinion is that she's intoxicated, right? But here's the thing, even when you do the field sobriety test, the outcome is still going to be the same, because he already made up his mind. You ain't gonna, the mind is already made up. So, just refuse it, because that's just gonna make your case worse.
I'm sorry, but I don't know what I did. My GPS said whatever, and I didn't mean to break the law to back up.
Usually people don't mean to break the law, but it just happens, okay?
Yeah, I didn't mean to.
It's fine.
Trust me, I didn't.
All right, well, we're past that now. Now it's just going to be the fact of the actual investigation that we're going to do right now, okay?
What does that mean?
Ma'am.
No, I'm just asking.
Ma'am.
Because I'm freaking out, okay?
Why are you freaking out, ma'am?
Because I don't want to go to jail.
We're not doing anything to you.
You going to jail.
If you don't want to perform these exams,
No,
I just got to go based off what I already see.
No, I'm just
Okay, well then you got to pay attention.
No,
You got to follow
I don't
directions.
live here. I'm sorry.
That's fine. You got to follow directions.
I am.
You're just opening your eyes, ma'am. I don't think
I'm
you're...
just looking at it.
All right, ma'am. So, based on my observations and what I observed,
You're still going to jail.
ma'am,
For what?
turn around. Turn around.
Miss Danielle.
This one, 37 alpha. Just hold on a second. We're not. So put your hand behind your back, and we will listen to you. You don't get to make the rules. That's not how it works.
Trying to say sweater.
There you go.
Come on. This is fucking retarded. Stop.
Do you want your phone in your purse, ma'am?
For what did I do wrong?
You're going to jail tonight.
Why?
Because
DUI, ma'am.
you're DUI.
No, I'm not DUI.
You're slurring your speech
No, I'm
speech
not
insanely.
Are you
Yes.
taking a breathalyzer? No.
You'll have that opportunity.
You have the opportunity to do that.
Do you want your phone in your purse?
No, I'm a breathalyzer right now before I go
At the
anywhere.
jail, we'll do that.
No, right now.
We don't-
Before I
we
go.
don't- we don't have a
Yeah,
court.
you have to. You have to. According to the law, I know. My dad's a police officer, so
Where?
it doesn't matter. So give me a breathalyzer.
On scene, we don't have one.
Too
At
bad.
the jail, we do have one.
No, I'm not going to jail for shit. I call my dad and be right down there and fucking fuck your shit up. So I'm telling you right now, stop the shit. Oh, whenever I'm helping, I don't like this shit. I'm telling you right now. I have not done anything wrong. I was trying to get something to eat. I was not trying to back up and break the law or anything.
The entitlement by this lady. My dad is a police officer. Whatever she said, my dad will be right down there and fuck your guys' shit up. If your dad is a police officer, he is on the same level as these other police officers. You acting like your dad is like the mayor or something with some authority. What is a police officer from a different department going to go do at this department that's going to get you out of this situation? Nothing whatsoever. Get a grip, lady.
Like that, please, if you don't. Okay, I get the shit beat out of me every day. You don't care. Yeah, you look and you don't care, but I do.
I understand
No, you
what you're
don't.
telling me.
No, you don't care.
Why didn't you call the cops?
Because I care about that person.
Okay.
And I don't want them getting in trouble.
So don't complain then.
What?
It may be insensitive, but if you're being abused, call the cops. If you don't want to call the cops, don't complain because you get in trouble for something else that now all of a sudden, oh, well, I'm being abused. Well, you ain't want us before. So this is completely unrelated to that. So, nah, you messed up. Take your punishment like a woman.
What have I done? Was I backed up in a fucking
You drove the wrong way down the road in reverse. And
Yeah,
then
I
you went
backed
into the middle of an
up.
intersection.
Have her lean against
There
the
was
back of
no
your car so
one
Perks
there.
gets here.
No, I will not. No. Call my father. No.
You don't want to move?
Ma'am,
Call my
I really
ma'am,
don't want
listen to me.
I really don't want
Hang on. Listen to me.
No.
Listen-
I'm going to call my parents.
Listen to
right
me.
now. Listen
You need
to me.
no. You need to listen to me very carefully.
I'm not going to jail.
You're
I'm
you're
fine.
making
You going to
this,
jail.
You're going to make this more
Get your
difficult.
hand off
I'm
me.
not.
Hey, listen.
Get your fucking hand
You
off.
too old
Listen to
to
me.
do the parent card, man.
Hey,
Call my mommy. Call my daddy.
I'm not
hi.
talking to you.
No,
Too
you're
old for
talking
that.
to me.
No, I'm talking to him.
No.
The fucking joke.
Listen
right
to
now.
me.
Yeah,
If you
women
don't
are gonna
listen, if you do not listen,
Yeah.
you're going to catch another charge.
Of what?
Resisting. I suggest you cooperate, okay? You need to calm down. Right now.
I've been calmed down. I haven't done anything wrong. And please don't arrest me. Please stop
Stop fooling,
grabbing.
ma'am. Stop fooling. I'm not playing this game with you. Are you gonna walk?
Listen to me very
I'm not
carefully.
going to fucking
You
jail.
start fighting
What
us,
did I
this
do?
is not going to end well.
Okay, so let me ask you, why am I going to jail?
I just told you that. You're drunk. This way.
Because I'm
Smell it in your
drunk.
breath.
Because you have alcohol?
Perks,
Okay, no. I want a breathalyzer right now.
You will get one.
No,
Move.
I want one now.
Come on, man.
Yeah, oh my god, this is so fucking ridiculous.
get her cleared so we can take her to the jail
No,
now.
you can't take me to the jail without a breathalyzer.
Passenger seat. Yeah.
No. Well, I have a lot of medication that I'm on. I have to take, and I have my children and my phone and stuff I need to take. Okay, so I am on a lot of meds that they do not give you in jail. Stop grabbing my arm so hard.
I'm literally not even touching it hard.
Yes, you. Oh, yes, you are. Oh my god, you're hurting my arm. Stop. What do you think I have in there?
Well, the fact that it will, but after you and you cut yourself, I'm more concerned that you might have a blade
Okay,
on you.
so I cut myself. Is that like against the law?
No, but for the safety of my officers.
I was not trying to cut your officer.
Ma'am, can you please face the car, please?
You for what? What have I fucking done? Exactly. Stop.
We're not gonna keep going through this.
No, I'm asking you. What did I fucking do?
You reverse into traffic and now you're under arrest for DUI.
reversed.
We're done going in circles.
No, shut. Girl, I'm gonna tell you what. What are you gonna do? Stop.
She has to search you, ma'am.
I want my shit. No, get in the car.
Get in the car.
What do you need from the car? What do you need from the car?
Get in the car. Get in the car, or I'm going to forcefully put you in the car.
Get in the car, ma'am.
You know what?
Woo!
You can't do that. You know
Told you, them lady officers don't be playing when it comes to them ladies, boy. Got her ass together.
What do you need from the car? What do you need from the car?
Get in the car.
I'm gonna forcefully put you in the car.
Or I'm going to forcefully put you in the car.
Get in the car, ma'am.
Get your dumb ass in there.
you can't do that.
Got her ass right.
Hey!
Woo!
Back up,
Give
back
me
up.
some feet restraints.
Back up, back up, back up,
No, I didn't.
Stop kicking.
back up.
Woo! Got her together.
Back up.
Stop it! She fucking forced me in the car and hit my head first. That's why.
Seatbelt.
Just whatever. You know what? You guys are fuck. Get the fuck away from me. Yeah. And we'll see what happens.
Add battery on Leo.
You want to step out, please? What's your name, ma'am? Officer Bertzlaw. Officer. Yeah, so can you step out? Thank you. Yes, and you sat there and you picked me. After the fact. After the fact. After the fact. Yes. After the.
I asked you multiple times to get in the car.
Yes. Don't touch me anymore.
Well, then let's just cooperate. That's all we're asking.
I have not done anything. What did I do? What did I do? I backed up on the fucking traffic. Oh my God.
Do not move your arm away from me. Do you understand? Okay. If you're gonna act a fool,
Damn, it's a busy night.
So
You already have for no reason.
Yeah, I'm sure I have. That's why
Yeah,
you're
you
in
have.
handcuffs.
Yeah. What have I done? Backing up my
Simple
car.
battery against an officer.
Simple battery.
Yeah, you
Whenever
kicked
you
me.
batter me, yeah, you put my head in the fucking thing
Yeah,
first.
that's why I told you to get in the car
Doesn't
multiple
matter.
times.
You cannot put
In
physical
DUI.
force.
Yes, I can.
I can.
I could use the force
No,
necessary.
you cannot.
With
No,
your
you're
mouth.
not
Okay.
My dad's been on police.
Are you gonna calm down?
I'm calm. So let me get this straight. So I backed up in the wrong lane, correct? I want to know my charges.
I've explained this to you multiple times.
No. I want to know my charges so I can tell my parents so when I have to call them.
I'm not gonna keep repeating.
I could tell my parents.
You're not repeating it. Yes, you
Your
have to.
charges are DUI and battery on a law enforcement officer.
I did not. Battery for what? I did not.
Even just advised stated that you did kick me.
I never kicked you.
Did
You
you not-
slammed my
did you
head
not
into the
say that? I
fucking.
did
You
not.
slammed my head into the fucking door. No, I did not state that. Never
Okay,
kicked you.
somebody came up.
Danielle was charged with DUI .15 or above, battery on law enforcement, and driving the wrong way on a one-way road. The infraction for driving the wrong way wasn't pursued by the prosecutor right off the bat. She pled not guilty on the 2 remaining charges and was found guilty of the DUI while the battery charge was dropped. Her sentence included 1 year of probation and 1 year driver's license suspension, followed by 6 months with an interlock device. So far, she has not violated her probation, so it looks like she'll get her license back.
Wow. I wonder what the fines were, because we all know that DUI fines are pretty hefty. I know back in the day it was roughly around $10,000. That's what people used to get or whatever. That around the going rate. I don't know what it is nowadays or whatever, but no, they hefty. Okay, them DUI joints. Yeah, you get hit with one of those, boy, you gonna need to take out a loan to pay that to pay them fines off. But besides that, man, she too old to be doing that parents card, man. I gotta call my parents. I gotta call my daddy. I gotta call my mom. Call my mom. Call my dad. Like, come, lady, you look, you don't never want to judge a woman, by their age, or not judge a woman, but guess their age. You know what I'm saying? So I'm not going to take my guess. You know what I mean? But I know you too old to be saying that daddy card and all of that. That's what I do know. But anyway, I get officers a 5. They did pretty good. They did their job. And that is, that's all you can ask for. The ShyGotEm Correctional Facility is now open, where we specialize in act right and getting them together. If you want to become an officer, check out the YouTube membership. If you want to be a sergeant or above, check out the Patreon. Your support helps the channel keep going, and I hope to see you in lineup.